How to delete Google Docs file in bulk. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you some few ways that you can use and you can delete the multiple Google Docs file from your Google Docs. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Chrome browser. I have already logged in with my account. So first we need to go in Google Docs. Okay, so this is Google Docs file, you can see. So after login, when you come in Google Docs application, here you can see your all documents. Okay, so here we not able to find out the bulk deletion options. If you want to delete one by one, you can delete from here. Just go to the three dot option and you can remove from here. Okay, but if you want to delete all Google Docs at once, there is a one option. Okay, we need to log in with the same account, and now we need to go in Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive basically the storage capacity of Google, storage facility from Google, and here you can see you have all documents of Google which save here only. Okay, it is linked to your individual application like Google Docs or Google Sheet, but ultimately all Google documents save in Google Drive only. Okay, you need to just log in with the same email ID, come to the Google Drive, you can find your all documents here. Okay, so sometimes it look like this. Okay, so here you can see the Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form, and Google Documents. So from here we need to just log in with the same email ID, and if you want to delete one by one, first if you want to delete bulk, first we need to filter out. So go to the search bar here, and we need to select the documents, or you can simply type :documents, then you can see your all documents here. Okay, you can see the all your Google documents here. Okay, so now you can hit the control key and hold it, and you can select like this. Okay, and you can delete from here. After delete, it will be go to the trash. Now you can come to the trash, and you can delete permanently from here also. Okay, now let me show you from here first. Okay, so here you can see your all documents, because we have filtered it out only documents. Now you can select one by one like this, and if you want to select all, you can select first documents. Now hit the shift key, hold it, and now you have to enter the down arrow, then all the sheet will be selected like this, or you can delete from here. And another and final way you can use for all deletion or bulk deletions, you can select any file first, and now you have to enter Ctrl+A, means you are selecting all files in your Google Drive. Now you can delete from here. After delete, it will be going trash. I will show you by clicking deleting one. If I delete it, you can see it come to the trash. Now you need to delete from here also, and because if you want to delete forever, you can delete from here, or it will be delete after 30 days automatically. Okay, so that is how you can delete Google Docs in bulk. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.